Hello and welcome to today's lecture. I hope that everyone participated in the worldwide MAP treatment. It is a valuable practice for all of us and certainly valuable for the world, and we do it every Sunday. Next Sunday, we're going to be doing the Genesis Acceleration Program for your photograph. We actually are full. The program has filled up. However, if you are interested, I know there's a possibility for maybe 2 more reserve spaces. So call into the office. You'll be put on a waiting list, and then we'll let you know if it's going to be possible for us to have your photographs in the Chair of Genesis next Sunday. So that's going to be next Sunday. The 14th is the Chair Day. The 13th is the treatment day for the photographs. Let us know if you're interested because we only have 2 reserve spaces available. Okay, now for today's lecture, I'm going to read some new information from Lattos regarding sounds. Over the past few weeks, Tote has been talking to Cindy about the concept of sounds, what he calls the traces of empty sounds. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I read a message to you where Cindy was speaking with Tote, and he mentioned traces of empty sounds, and Cindy had abbreviated it and realized that it spelled out toes. You may remember that Tote mentioned, yes, toes. The little supports the big. The little supports the large. So we heard that message a couple of weeks ago. Tote has continued to speak with Cindy about this concept, traces of empty sounds, sounds that are associated with each spin key within each of the 81 seeds of creation. And he is producing a lot of information about this. And Lattos is also giving Cindy more information about this. I'm going to give you a little bit of this information right now. This is just within the last week from Lattos. He said, each seed issues sound. Sound is generated within each seed. Each location of spin issues a sound. The Realm Lord issues the mighty Om. This is the earliest sound. The sound is the collection of 8 tumbling values of fullness. The spin keys spawn sound. 3 spin keys, 3 initial sounds. Syllables containing the sequence code of creation. These sounds reverberate on the most subtle layer of existence. These simple sounds release energy of the seeds. Toes deliver profound influence of the primordial layers of creation. And remember, toes stands for traces of empty sounds. Toes dissipate quickly, nearly untraceable, just as the sea mist is gone even as its existence is noticed. Yet the influence may be seen. The influence of the toes remains, enlivening outer layers of existence. The domain of these early sounds is on the finer layers of existence. These sounds soothe. They nourish. They awaken the individual to the limitless reservoir of energy. There are different applications for these precious sounds. And then he continued, it is very good, very good, very good. As we proceed in the direction of 1 million songs generating the waves of initial rotations, it is very good to increase the numbers of moments in each day when the seeds, the precious seeds, the beloved seeds of creation, are enlivened. There are different paths for the enlivenment of the seeds. Each path consists of similar elements. Each path contains the values of essence, process, and surrender. First is essence. The essence of the seed must be enlivened. This is the aspect of form. We introduce the phrase in the presence of the physical form of the seed. The song contains the physical form of all 81 seeds. The flying seed cosmic map contains the form of all 81 seeds. Creation is made of the physical form of the 81 seeds. At certain physical locations, the presence of certain seeds may be found. Spiritual journeys may be thought of as a quest for the physical values of the seeds. In those certain locations, enlivenment of the values of those particular seeds is possible. The second value for enlivenment comes as process. Process. Initiating the name of the seed is the process. Calling out the name. As the mother stands on the deck of the house with her heart enlivened, she calls out the name of the child. In the fullness of warmth of the heart, the mother calls the name. The child, if in the area, comes running to greet the mother. These two aspects must be present. First, the child must be near. Second, the mother must issue the name of the child. This is process. The third value is one which may be overlooked, yet it is very important in the success of enlivening the full value of the seeds. Surrender. It may be considered an aspect of the second step. Yet, this third value in itself offers the proper path for success of the entire process. Having issued the name, the mother lets go. One lets go to receive the response. It is in this third step that success arrives. It is in this third step that the tumbling process of initial rotations occurs. All three steps are required. Fulfillment arrives. At this time, we must increase the waves of enlivenment for Earth. Enlivening waves are increased through the increase of enlivenment of the seeds. How to increase the enlivenment of the seeds? We know that the increase of songs brings about waves of enlivenment. 1 million songs. This is our mission. Now, our beloved master teacher Tot has offered to us the traces of empty sounds. And then he continued, for the blessings of earth, our beloved master teacher has offered to us now the precious sounds, toes of creation. So those are excerpts from a message that Lattos gave Cindy just a few days ago, and we continue to get more and more instruction from Tot and Lattos regarding these traces of empty sounds. We will be presenting this information to you in the coming weeks as soon as we have all of the instruction ready for you. We continue to get those instructions from Tot and from Lattos, which is why we don't have all of it for you right now. But I wanted to give you that introduction to the concept of what Tot and Lattos are giving Cindy at this moment. Okay, everyone, thanks for joining me today. I will speak with you again on Wednesday.